Well, here we are as I do some nails to match my cardigan. Yes, to match my cardigan. So you can definitely 100% see what the color's gonna be. Yes, it's gonna be mostly gray, a little off-white, maybe some kind of thing that's sparkly because I don't really have off-white that isn't sparkly, I don't think. And then some red. So I'm gonna go off all of this kind of print, and this is gonna be my nails. So of course, get the nails done, then have an outfit. So let's really match, like matchy to the matcher tints. Now to all the gray. And this is a hollow taco gray. Yes, it is. Looking so juicy delicious. Now a nice second coat to get that color not even juicier. And yes, I am using a bottle cap for the design to hold in my polish to get my line brush nice and done so I can do the kind of platy little triangles of it all from the jacket zip up. And I'm now just outlining the areas for the red squares to rectangle, probably more like rectangle shapes. At least the ones I'm doing are more rectangular. So, and this brush, after cleaning it really well, is working very well. This is one of my Hollow Taco brushes, and it's working very nicely, if I do say so myself. Working its magic with the lines. Now I'm using a different brush and coloring it in. Yep, I am. Looking good, looking good. This brush is doing wonders. It cleans so well, and it puts the polish on nicely. Now I am doing the off-white whitish rectangulars on the opposite, kind of in between the other two, because it's kind of like every other one is red and every other one is white in a different section. So in between is gray. And now I'm coloring that one in with the same brush as well. And like I said, I'm using a sparkly Hollow Taco polish. Everything I'm using is all Hollow Taco, except for what I'm going to use in a few minutes. But I'm just getting these nice and done. Putting one on each side with the space of gray in between. So it's just the little corners touching each color, like the white one touching the red and all that kind of stuff. So there we go, of it all and everything. So there we go, looking good. Getting some more and all. Now I'm doing the part that you saw by my nails. You see it even more so, which is the little lines which kind of look like the sewing lines. So I'm going and just dabbing in with my tiny little brush, a little cheap brush I have that has a nice tiny end. So I can just go dunk, dunk, like if I was doing the seams on a piece of clothing. And it's just not as subdued as it is on the piece of clothing itself that I'm going to be wearing. But it gives the vibes and looks good. Because I had to use an off-white color that I have here. So that's why I'm doing a tannish one. Because I didn't want to use white or it would blend in too much. So trying to have that nice contrast of it all. That looking good. So now I'm just fixing ones that had little gaps when I put it down. So I'm putting another coat on top of those, of the tan little poop. Now a nice thick glossy top coat to hold that design in. Oh yes, this is my thick one that is what does not smudge so much. And of course I'm doing it on my just full on gray nails as well. And I decided to, as the gray nails were a little too simple, getting that glue off before it dries, I decided to put a little sparkly red small gem just to give it that little oomph. Simple, but nice. Looking good, all nice and finished. Face all neutral, ready to do the makeup to match my nails and go with it all before I put on my little jumpery thing. So here we go to the base of the makeup. Here we go with the base of it all and everything. Let's get to the eyeshadow. Eyeshadow, done. Now to the cheeky cheek. Cheeky cheek, done. We gotta rejuvenate my eyelashes. Well, there's my eyelashes. Now to the lip. Well, there we go. Not looking too shabby. Now, you know what the next and last final thing is to rejuvenate it all and get my outfit on. And there we go. Outfit, nice and done. It did take me a few tries to figure out what to wear underneath, because I thought one top would look good, didn't work. Other tops wouldn't work. Because I wanted something that went up the neck. It just seemed like what it needed with this little jacket of mine, zip up, you know, that I got from Cotton On. Yep, and this hat is from Cotton On as well. Though this is used, I got last year or the year before, and then I have these pants which are used as well. I got this in person at a vintage place in the UK. I got this on Vinted in the UK. So that is my look for today. Yeah, this has a little bit of like looking like it could have pads here, but it's thinner. So it has kind of that vintage look. So I'm so glad I'm able to wear it now, and I'm having some fun in this look of it all. Now my second outfit being more cozy with these sweatpants. I know, I'm so unusual. I use these pant straps to hold out my sweatpants because they're a little bit big. So I thought I would do that. I am definitely going to fix them at some points. But I thought I want to be cozy, and I went off the vibes of just having some fun once again with another outfit. And yes, I still have the zip up that is the vibes of the vibes. So yes, I do. There it is once again, with sprinkles of red to the blue gray of it all. So even with this jacket looks interesting and fun, feeling cozy and stylish all in one outfit. Who says you can't make sweatpants stylish? So from this outfit to my last one. Oh yes, now more cozylicious.